Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to activate Alipay Tour Card. Okay, this is really easy. The first step we need to do is we need to open our Alipay app. As you can see right here, we have this app open, and then we're gonna search. Okay, we're gonna search right here in this option called More. Okay, you're going to click right here or simply searching right here tour card. Okay, it's really easy. In this case, we're gonna use more options, and right here we're gonna find tour card. Okay, you're going to click this icon right here, and then you're going to type tour card. Once you find tour card, you're going to click this button. Okay, and right here you can see well this option right here. To activate your toll card, you need to verify your information. That is really easy to do. Just clicking this button or this one right here. It is really easy to activate. You must click right here, and then you're going to uh, use or add your personal information like your country, your name, and all that. Okay, you just add that information, and there you go. This is really easy. I hope this video was very helpful. Please comment and subscribe.